Go.
Let's go.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go.
Want to beat?
Are you ready, Chase?
Yeah. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I look so
I'll
weird.
catch up with you in a second, okay?
But the thing is so weird.
Slow down, I got something to say.
But
Guys, make sure you like and subscribe.
no. And my dad's actually listening to this right now on his phone. No, we're turning and going back down that way.
Okay. So we're gonna be going down.
Turn up here, then you see another.
This hill, and then we're gonna go down the other side.
Yeah.
Uh,
I always go up here.
oh my gosh.
Yeah, so I got last week I got grounded. Come on, you're weak. Come on. You have to get used to this. It's big.
Keep going. Let's go, man. Yeah. We're halfway up the hill. I'm getting so tired.
No.
So-
Sun comes.
Okay, I'll tell you when you get on your bike. Chase,
Yeah.
look at me. How you doing, camera? Okay. Now let's get on our bike.
There's one of my friends. They're one of my friends.
Ready? Set.
No, Isaac. This house got abandoned and got a trampoline in the back.
You go on the other side.
Isaac, no, I look. The camera looks. Hi, Dad. How you doing? Come on, Isaac. I got the back payment. Favorite part of this thing is this. Here.